Hi students, today we will discuss about the methods of measuring elasticity of demand. The last section we deal with elasticity, എത്ര types elasticity ഉണ്ട്, and which are the degrees of elasticity. That is 5 degrees of elasticity നമ്മൾ measure ചെയ്തത് എങ്ങനെയാണെന്നെല്ലാം കണ്ടു. ഇന്ന് നമുക്ക് എങ്ങനെയെല്ലാം elasticity measure ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് സാധിക്കും. Which are the different methods or techniques used in measuring elasticity of demand. Okay, commonly there are 4 methods of measuring elasticity of demand. And that 4 methods are, first one, the percentage method or proportionate method. Second one, that is here given point method, that's a diagrammatic method. And third one, arc method. And fourth one, total outlay or expenditure method. Let's discuss one by one. Start with the first technique, that is percentage method. This method is known as the famous and the most important method of measuring elasticity of demand. This method helps to explain, that is the minute change in price to the quantity demand. So this is a very widely used technique. And this method is simply we can represent as elasticity of demand is a percentage change in quantity demand due to the percentage change in price. We can express it in a mathematical way, that is ED is equal to percentage change in quantity demand divided by percentage change in price. This is explained in this way, that is ED is equal to percentage change in quantity demand. Delta means change in quantity demand divided by percentage change in price. Okay, then go to the second method. Second method, it is known as point method. It's a diagrammatic method. In this method, there will be a demand curve, that is a straight line demand curve. On the basis of that straight line demand curve, we divide different points and each point is given in each value. The center of that demand curve, that is spaced to the origin, is given value is equal to 1, that is unitary elastic demand. And above that value, above that point, it is given as greater than 1, and below that point it is less than 1. Okay, over here this is shown, that is here look at in the point method, that is E is equal to 1, this is the center point. Here above that E is equal to 1, this is E is greater than 1, and here it is E less than 1, and here when it touch to x-axis, E is equal to 0. And when this touch to y-axis, E is equal to infinite. But this is the point method. In this method, we can measure elasticity by using the formula E is equal to lower segment by upper segment. That way also we can measure the elasticity. Lower segment divided by upper segment. Okay. Then go to the third method, that is known by the name arc method, ARC. What is arc method? Arc method explain elasticity between 2 degrees. Okay, 2 points. Between 2 points, what is the elasticity? A, B, 2 points are given. Between A and B, what is the elasticity that is measured by the using that method, arc method. Here it is explained, that is arc method. There is 2 points are given. At OP price, OQ quantity, and OP1 price, OQ1 quantity. And between these points, what is the elasticity that is measured by arc method? Okay. Then last one is total outlay method or total expenditure method. What is total expenditure method? In this method, that is elasticity is measured by using a common or general increase or decrease in total expenditure. അതായത് പ്രൈസിൽ ചേഞ്ച് വരുമ്പോൾ ടോട്ടൽ എക്സ്പെൻഡിച്ചറിൽ ചേഞ്ച് വന്നത് എങ്ങനെയാണ്, ഇൻക്രീസ് ചെയ്തോ ഡിക്രീസ് ചെയ്തോ ഓർ കോൺസ്റ്റന്റ്, ഇങ്ങനെ മെഷർ ചെയ്യുന്ന മെത്തേഡിനെയാണ് ടോട്ടൽ എക്സ്പെൻഡിച്ചർ മെത്തേഡ് വരുന്നത്. ഈ മെത്തേഡ് അനുസരിച്ച് there are only 3 types of elasticity, E greater than 1. For example, when price changes, the total expenditure increase, then elasticity is greater than 1. When price changed, there is no change in his expenditure, that means elasticity is equal to 1. When price changed, his expenditure decreased, that means elasticity is less than 1. So only 3 degrees are given in the total expenditure method. This is not much accurate as like percentage method. Among these 4 methods, percentage method is considered to be the better method. It is more reliable and more relevant. Okay, but that's all about the methods of measuring elasticity of demand. We can use 4 methods: percentage method, point method, arc method, and total outlay or total expenditure method. That's all about methods of measuring elasticity. Thank you for viewing.